Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use the ezDispense. Your LG washing machine can detect the weight of the load and automatically dispense the optimal quantity of detergent and fabric softener, making doing the laundry easier. So let's go over how to use the ezDispense. How to fill the ezDispense compartments. To fill the ezDispense compartments, first pull the ezDispense drawer out far enough to remove the detergent and softener caps. The right side is for liquid detergent, and the left side is for liquid fabric softener. However, the softener compartment can also be used as a detergent dispenser. We will cover that later in this video. Next, turn the caps counterclockwise to open the detergent and softener dispensers. Then, pour the detergent into the right side up to the max line. And pour the softener into the left side up to the max line. Do not put powdered detergents, powdered bleach, gel detergents, or sheet-type detergents into the ezDispense compartments. After filling the compartments, insert the caps and turn them clockwise until they are tightly closed. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in. Sensors will automatically detect if drawer is not fully closed and notify you by flashing OPN in the display while sounding an alarm. Just ensure drawer is inserted all the way back, and you are good to start a load. The indicator icons above the dispenser 1 or 2 buttons will blink when you need to refill the relevant compartment. Check the icons before starting a cycle to make sure you don't run out of detergent or softener during a wash. Now that you have filled up the ezDispense compartments, you are all set to start laundry. Because the ezDispense automatically releases optimal quantity of detergent and softener, all you have to do is select a cycle and press start for most of your wash cycles. However, the ezDispense function gets turned off and put in manual mode by default for wash cycles that might require special attention such as wool. But if you want to use the detergent and softener in the ezDispense compartments, just press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons to turn the ezDispense back on. How to manually adjust the dispense level. You can also manually adjust the quantity of detergent and softener dispensed for the current cycle by toggling through the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons. Less option is suitable for lightly soiled clothes. If you want to return it to normal mode, press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons again. Most cycles will be set to default mode, since it is suitable for your average daily laundry. Press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons once again to set the ezDispense to more, if you want more detergent or softener added for heavily soiled laundry. It's also a good idea to check the ezDispense level before starting each wash cycle. How to use the manual dispense function. If you don't want to use the ezDispense, choosing instead to use specialized detergents for delicates like wool or lingerie, use the manual mode setting. First, press the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons to turn off the ezDispense function and set the washing machine to manual mode. Now in manual dispensing mode, pull the ezDispense drawer out until you can fully access the manual dispensing compartment. Then, pour the liquid or powdered detergent into the manual dispensing compartment. But do not mix liquids and powders. Also, do not use the manual dispenser for single-use detergent pods. Place single-use detergent pods in the drum with the load. Now push the ezDispense drawer back in and you are all set to wash the load with specialized detergent. How to change default dispensing quantity. You can also change default dispensing quantity settings for the ezDispense function. To do so, first turn the knob to select desired cycle you wish to alter dispensing quantity. For example, If you want to alter dispensing quantity for normal wash cycle, select Normal. Next, press dispenser 1 or 2 button for 3 seconds to select a compartment. The detergent or softener dispensing quantity settings will appear in display window. Turn the knob to increase or decrease quantity. Save the changes by pressing and holding dispenser 1 or 2 button for 3 seconds. How to use both dispenser compartments for liquid detergent. The ezDispense system is set by default to dispense liquid fabric softener from dispenser 2. However, dispenser 2 compartment can also be used to release detergent instead of softener if you prefer. Before converting dispenser 2 to detergent or back to using a softener, be sure to clean the compartment. To do so, check out our guide on how to clean the ezDispense drawer. After you ensure compartment is clean, and you want to fill both compartments with exact same type of liquid detergent, follow these steps. First, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a signal. SET will then appear in the display window. Next, press the dispenser 1 button to light up the link indicator. Then, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds again to save the changes. You can now use the same type of detergent in dispenser 1 and dispenser 2. When using different types of liquid detergent. If you want to use different types of liquid detergent in each compartment, press and hold the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a signal. Then, press the dispenser 2 button to light up the liquid detergent indicator. Now press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to save the changes. You are now set to use different types of detergent in dispenser 1 and dispenser 2. Setting the dispenser 2 compartment back to liquid fabric softeners. If you want to use dispenser 2 for liquid fabric softener again, press and hold the dispenser 1 and 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a signal. Then, press the dispenser 2 button to set it back to dispense liquid fabric softener again. Lastly, press and hold the dispenser 1 and dispenser 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to get the most out of the LG ezDispense system. Thank you for using LG washing machines.